Guys, these are some of the pioneers that passed through. Okay? That's Diana Ross up there, guys. You can't see it properly. Talk to me, guys. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful architects. Guys, this is the wall of graffiti. See that? Let's put something on there, guys. What color? What color you want to choose? Orange? Alright, let go. Hold this. I'm gonna put the wall of graffiti. Excuse me. Hi. Question. Can I write over here and come off?
You can't write on this. You can write over here, or you can write under here. This is the only part you can't write on.
Okay, just wanted to know. Thank you, hon. Guys.
My name's right here. My name is here. What name is Noma? My name is Noma. My name is here.
Hold on. See that, guys? The Hay family was here. 2025. That is it. And we are on the wall of graffiti. Lend me the orange again, Zaza. Give me the red. Give me the orange. Hold this. I tried. Here's Zaza. Huh? Look at this. Oh, open this, open this. That is it.
Probably just gonna erase that.
Oh yeah. That is it, guys. Guys, as far as the eyes can see, look at this. Look how big this place is. Like, it's gigantic, guys. And these these are all games and shops.
Move in there, so.
I don't know.
The movie theater in there, so.
In the end, we'll all become strangers.
In the days leading up to Chinese New Year, families thoroughly clean their homes to sweep away bad luck and make space for incoming good fortune. This ritual, known as sweeping the dust, Sao Chen, symbolizes a fresh start and the removal of the old year's misfortunes. Cleaning is usually completed before New Year's Day because on the holiday itself, sweeping is avoided to prevent accidentally brushing away good luck.
Wow. Watch the wall. I have nothing to do with that. Watch the wall, guys. I am in the wall, guys. The energy, I'm gonna like that energy, yeah.
Alert and intuitive, the rabbit knew it all to swim against the swift current, and instead found a path of stones to nimbly hop across, allowing him to come and forth.
Where's that?
And then there was the dragon, who could have quickly flown across the river. The dragon ended up finishing in fifth place.
That's a
The horse and the snakes
picture.
the angelic horse galloped along with the wild snakes sitting close behind. As they approached the broad shore, the snakes lit the path, startling horse.
Done. Yes. Show him how it's done, Zaza. Zaza, go after it now. Go after it now, Zaza. Sink it. thinking, Zaza? Send it to him, Zaza. Zaza, send it in. Send it in, Zaza. Send it in. Whoop, 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 whoop. Play to 2. Game 2, guys. Send it again, Zaza. Come on, Zaza. Send it home, Zaza. Send it home. Send it in, Zaza. Come, Zaza. Come, Zaza. Send it home. Send it home, Zaza. Zaza, send it down. Zaza, send it in. Send it in. Come on, Zaza. You play these games every day. What's going on? Huh? Huh? What's going on? Come on, Zaza. You went over there to stop. Take time with him, Nana. Take time with him. Are you going to beat your Nana? Come on, Zaza. Send it home. Send it home, Zaza. Send it home, Zaza. Zaza, send it home. Zaza, you're in the wrong way, Bridget. Yes, send it home. Send it home.
Thank you guys so much.
That is it. How do you feel to win? Oh gosh, that was fun, guys.